It's kind of getting hard. Not creamy cheesy, hard cheese.
Yeah.
Stretchy, rubbery, like that.
Not creamy at all. Dry. I'm kind of disappointed. Just no sauce.
I don't like it.
It just tastes like... How's the taste? Hey guys, today we are going to be making Southern mac and cheese. And this recipe comes from Chef Millie Peartree.
Let's go to it.
She is from the site Delish, very famous food channel on YouTube. Supposedly, Southern mac and cheese is one of the best mac and cheese out there. Mariane, have you had mac and cheese growing up?
Yes, but I'm only used to eating the instant version with powdered cheese, not made from scratch.
Bruh. Actually, that's exactly how I had mac and cheese growing up. So just to compare the Southern style mac and cheese, we will be also cooking regular plain instant Kraft macaroni cheese and asking which one tastes better.
Hey, what up, Delish? Millie Peartree here. I'm making my super famous Southern baked macaroni and cheese. Let's get to it.
Wait a minute. I thought mac and cheese in the South is supposed to be really, really creamy. This looks super... Honestly, it looks super dry. We'll see. All right, let's try it. First step, boil 1 pound of macaroni. Drain the pasta. Next, Chef Peartree does something really, really weird.
So now that we have cooked our noodles, we're gonna drain them under cold water. So you wanna make sure that the noodles are cool enough to touch, so when we add our eggs, they don't scramble.
Stop! Disappointed! After you boil it and drain it of water, you need to put cold water? What? Usually you don't rinse it with cold water. You want the starch on the noodles. The starch will help cling on to the sauce and also make it more creamy. Even the Kraft macaroni and cheese direction says, do not rinse. Looks like pasta 101. All right, let's just follow the recipe. Next, an entire stick of butter. Add back your mac and cheese. Add salt, pepper, 2 cups of cheddar cheese. Kinda looks just sticky. Doesn't really look creamy. Creamy is what I'm expecting. Like that's, in my opinion, is a good mac and cheese. Add half of your mac and cheese mixture. 1 cup of Colby cheese. This is looking really cheesy. Once again, add the remainder. Next, we gotta make the creamy sauce. And to do that, 3 eggs. Mix with 2 cups of milk. Pour it all over your mac and cheese. Honestly, that looks a lot of liquid, don't you think?
Doesn't it look like making a leche flan?
Following the recipe, add more cheese. Cover in aluminum foil and then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we'll make the regular Kraft mac and cheese. First step, boil. Drain the pasta. 4 tablespoons butter. 1/2 cup milk. Add back the macaroni. And of course, our secret ingredient, the powdered cheese. So already, this one honestly looks better, huh? Okay, time for the reveal. Ooh, wow. Don't you think it looks cool?
Yeah, it looks so creamy, huh?
Looks similar to hers, don't you think? Look at how cheesy that is. Okay, so we're finally finished. We got the real Southern mac and cheese right here. And just the plain Kraft mac and cheese with just a little bit Parmesan cheese on top. Doesn't really matter how it looks, right? The question is, how's the taste?
It's good. Kind of tastes like, you know, leche flan,
Leche flan. Interesting.
but it's not sweet. That's how it tastes for me. And then the texture is like really rubbery, like that. It's okay. It's kind of getting hard because there's a lot of cheese. In my mouth, it feels really cheesy. Like cheesy, not creamy cheesy, but hard cheese.
Yeah.
Stretchy, rubbery, like that texture.
Here we go. Honestly, kind of not creamy at all. We added a lot of milk and eggs, and it's not creamy. Like it's really just tasting like individual I really taste the macaroni. I honestly think it's because we rinsed off the macaroni. You're really not supposed to do that because that starch makes the sauce, you know, makes it creamy. Kind of dry, just no sauce. I'm kind of disappointed. Tastes good. I'm just used to having it very creamy. I like it though. Next, we got just the plain Kraft mac and cheese. What? Why are you smiling?
I feel so creamy.
No way. Is this one better?
I feel I like this more. The other one tastes like just macaroni with hard cheese. It's not saucy. This one you can feel in your mouth. It's saucy. So much flavor on this.
Oh my gosh, that's just a powdered cheese.
Also, the smell of this smells like cheese. That one smells like macaroni.
Really? That's more of a pasta. Man, we added so much cheese to this too.
What?
Sorry, Southern mac and cheese enthusiasts, but this one's way better.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Man, all I did was follow that recipe on the box, and it just has like a mouthfeel that's creamy. It's not just macaroni plus cheese. It's mac and cheese. I haven't had mac and cheese in a long time, and wow, this is way better than that. I'm sorry.
I agree.
You agree, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try it again because I kind of feel disappointed. I'm gonna give it another shot. I feel this looks better though because there's so much cheese. It's good. Just tastes different. Like it's just like this tastes like a cheese pasta, not macaroni and cheese. Okay, time for the verdict. What did you think about the taste?
For me, it doesn't have a lot of flavor. Just cheese and more taste of macaroni. For me,
I feel the taste of the cheese is better here because we're using real cheese and that one's powder. But it's like missing something. It's missing the sauce. The sauce is not sticking. It just looks like a cooked macaroni with cheese on top. But if you go here, though we didn't rinse it, they're coated with orange. The flavor penetrated the actual mac and cheese. You're adding so much cheese in here. It's like you're just eating cheese.
this one is good, saucy.
Yeah. I'm sorry, but in regards to how's it taste, Kraft mac and cheese wins.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay guys, that's it for this video. You already finished it! I want to do it again!
This is really good, the Kraft one.
The Kraft is so much better. We didn't even finish this. It feels like we're just eating blocks of cheese. It doesn't come together. Anyway, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what recipes or chef you would like to see next. And see you in the next video. Bye guys. How's the taste?
You're old.
I see this pig just sitting there, and I'm like,
You're
no,
old.
oh no,
Oh no.
Dito sa Pilipinas,
You're old.
kapag
You're
nakita
old.
ng may bisita, hindi nagustuhan
You're
yung
old.
inihanda namin. Iba siguro may
Surprise!
I think I have a good choice.
Bruh.